Want to learn more about the shoulder machines at Planet Fitness? In this video, I describe each of the machines, the specific muscles they work, and demonstrate how to use them. Let's get started. Shoulder press machine. The shoulder press machine consists of a seat with a backrest, a weight stack, and a pair of handles. In this particular machine I'm going over, there are handles for an overhand and neutral grip, but that may vary based on the machine at your Planet Fitness. The shoulder press machine primarily targets the deltoid shoulder muscles, particularly the anterior and medial heads. It also engages the triceps, upper chest, and trapezius muscles. Using a neutral grip in which your palms face one another is a more relaxed position than using an overhand grip. With the overhand grip, you're activating a bit more muscles, so use an overhand grip if you want more of a challenge. To use the machine, select your weights from the weight stack. Adjust the seat height so the handles are roughly around shoulder height. Exhale and press the handles overhead. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Shoulder press machine, 30-minute express workout variation. Another shoulder press machine can be found in the Planet Fitness Express 30-minute workout room. And if you want to learn more about what that room is, go ahead and check out the video in the top right corner. This yellow version of the machine operates in a similar way and may also feature neutral grip and overhand grip handle options. Just like the other machine, select your weights from the weight stack. Adjust the seat height so the handles are near shoulder level. Exhale and press the handles upwards. Then inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. MTS shoulder press machine. There's an MTS version of the shoulder press machine, and what MTS stands for is Motion Technology Selectorized, which is common in many hammer strength machines. Being an MTS machine means that it has independent weight stacks and handlebars that allow you to perform single arm movements if desired. The MTS shoulder press machine consists of a seat with a backrest, handlebars, and 2 weight stacks, one for each arm. To use the machine, select the desired weights, making sure both weight stacks are equal. Adjust the seat height so the handlebars are roughly around shoulder height. Reach for the handles with an overhand grip. Exhale and extend your arms upwards. Inhale and return to starting position by lowering your arms. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Lateral raise machine. The lateral raise machine consists of a seat with a backrest, handles, arm pads, and a weight stack. The handles here pivot outwards and move out to the sides. This machine primarily targets the sides of the shoulders, particularly the lateral and medial deltoid muscles. To use this machine, select a weight from the stack. Adjust the seat height so when you're holding onto the handles, you're able to raise the arm pads to slightly above shoulder level. When you perform this raise, make sure your arms are bent at 90 degrees, making an L shape. Exhale and raise your arms to the sides at shoulder height. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Rear deltoid machine. Oftentimes, the rear deltoid machine will be coupled with a chest fly in the same piece of equipment. Since we're covering shoulder exercises in this video, I'll only be going over how to use this machine to exercise your rear deltoids. However, be sure to check out my chest exercise video in the top right corner for information on how to perform the chest fly. Anyways, the chest fly rear deltoid machine consists of a seat with a backrest and adjustable arms that arc around the seat. As mentioned in the name, the rear deltoid machine primarily targets the rear deltoid muscles, which are the back of the shoulders. When you perform the rear deltoid exercise on this machine, you'll be seated facing the backrest. To use this machine, select a weight from the stack. Adjust the handles by using the overhead pin locking mechanism and placing them in line with the backrest. Adjust the seat height so the handles are roughly in line with your shoulders. Grab onto the handles with an overhand grip, maintaining a slight bend in the elbow. Exhale and move the handles out to your sides while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Now that you know all about Planet Fitness's shoulder machines, check out my other Planet Fitness equipment demonstrations here. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.